The question says a box contains 10 marbles, 7 of which are yellow and 3 are green. 2 marbles are drawn, one after the other. One after the other. It's not as if the two were drawn at once, but after drawing one, you draw another one. But the drawing is done without replacement. So after pulling one marble, I did not replace it and then I go and pull another one out, right? So in that case, the number of marbles is decreasing and the colored ones are also decreasing. So in this case, the probability that the first marble is green, probability of drawing the first marble to be green is equal to how many green do you have there? There are 3 green. So 3 over the total number, which is 10. So after drawing one marble, then it happened to be a green marble, the probability is 3 over 10. Now that marble is not replaced, and you go and draw another one again. The probability that it's going to be a yellow, okay? Because the question says the probability that of getting a green, then a yellow. That is another way of saying that the first is green, the second is yellow. The second to be yellow is equal to how many yellow do we have? 7. But the total number of marble is no more 10 because you have drawn one in this first instance. So the total now becomes 9. So the question says the probability of getting a green, then a yellow. Now the question is, are these mutually exclusive events or independent events? They are independent events. Drawing a green marble does not prevent us from drawing a yellow marble. After all, we are doing it one at a time. So the chances of choosing a green in the first instance does not in any way affect the chances of choosing a yellow in the second instance. So these are independent events. Therefore, question A, the probability of a green, then a yellow is equal to 3 over 10 times 7 over 9. Yes, I'm right, over 9. 3 here 1, 3 here 3, which is 7 over 30. That is 10 times 3, 30. Then question B, 2 yellow marbles. Now the probability that the first marble is yellow is equal to the number of yellow marble, which is 7, divided by the total, which is 10. The probability that the second is also yellow, and the number of yellow marble is no longer 7, because after drawing this first one, the number decreases to 6. Remember, the experiment or the drawing of marble is done without replacement. So the number of yellow marble now becomes 6. The total is 9. Reducing this, 3 in this 6 is 2, and 3 in 9 is 3. So now the question says the probability of drawing 2 marbles, that is, the first and the second are both yellow. The probability of drawing 2 yellow marbles is equal to the probability that the first is yellow and the second is also yellow. Now, these are again independent events. Drawing the first one to be yellow does not in any way affect the second one to be yellow. And there is a marker there which is and. Whenever we see and, it's an indication that the events are independent events. So the drawing of first marble to be yellow is 7 over 10, and then the drawing of the second to be yellow is 2 over 3. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. 7 times 1 is 7, and 5 times 3 is 15. That answers question 7.